put your palm up. There we go. Look at that. It's pretty good. It's pretty good. Hold it up so. That's to keep it busy so it doesn't go for you. Take it up. $200, it's yours. You want to hold it? This will be...
La follow for Candace in Octavia. Bella Hopatul. La follow at Dexter Tiffy. First prize, third prize, mystery prize. Boy, a pretty little Phineas. Bella Fataha.
Eva, come. Eva, come. Oh, clear holder.
La follow Linda Lunga. Jay Hadeya. Fa Uatoru Ua. Bella Homofu.
Can you put your finger in and see if it's alive?
Okay.
La follow a Keita Nivesi. Waitana Talo. Boy, a PJ Tanivesi. Bella Fit. Baliba Boy, less.
Right. Back.
La follow
Come down.
First
Come down.
prize. Tai Pini Unga. Second
Go ahead.
prize. 1 box of chicken. One Bella Fango from Isa Talan. La follow Linda Luma. Kai Upu, first prize. Boy, Bella Lima. Ano Louis Iacopo. Nella telefoni Lima Hiva Barton. Second prize.
You want to hold it?
Boy, Kai Upu. Boy, Lumela Mawa. Flex, that was second prize.
When you're ready.
La follow Adrian Tatui. First prize is a food hamper and unga. Boy, Numela Ufu Mauno Konola Mercy.
See, that's just
Second prize, party pack. Boy, Numela Fango Fumatahako, 18. Third prize, Boa Koifuitalo, Koipua Moa. Boy, Numela Ufu Mamalu, Silver back. La follow Diva Sama. First prize is a food hamper. Boy, Numela Tolu Fumahiva, Ko Grayson. Second prize, boy, food hamper. Boy, Numela Taha, Ko Pata Boyoka. Numela Telefoni Ono Fit, Walufa. For third prize, for food hamper. Boy, Numela, third prize, Sonia Kabak. We have a more first category is the primary school. First, second, and third. Second is high school. First, second, and third. See, two quarter que open main. First, second, and third. Continuing with the referral. La follow Pauline and Beatty. double Romaril. Royal number 6 hotel.
There's yours. You're two. Okay. You're two. All right.
Boyfriend price. Tolima or Caleta. Fourth price. Bakso chicken. Hawaii is
Good.
Fa Walimaua.
That's okay. I'm right here. I want to let go. Oh, you want two? Oh.
Marimole do fare se la caia do tole ao dei. Koi hanai. Matoro kui ka fina te oko e ua futa la hau. Totoni ke la caia moi.
Cost of these are 200, 300 bucks for one. Anybody else?
Back of you.
Of course.
Ua futa la hita esto.
Okay, I'm going to let it go. Who's
Ia
taking
ni
it
ka
from?
ke koi sele kai au e kaupa. Sele kai e pusi motoka. When I follow Halilo Kusono. First prize. Seafood box. Hawaii numela lima for Nena K. Second prize. Foi New Zealand seafood box. Hawaii numela ono mafuru ko Tita Lia. Numela telefoni fitu ono na kai na proi. Ko e pa. Ko e pua pio fiki pack.
Beautiful, that one. How old is that one?
Price a year for
How old would the big one be? This one. Watch your finger. Watch your finger. Watch your finger. Oh. How long are they? Like 15
No, Bradley, I think you won. Hang on, wait.
Moe numela ke ua. The mystery prize. Second prize is a mystery prize goes to number 49.
These
Cephalosa tea.
different varieties. Taros of different varieties.
Na follow Moshina.
Yam.
Moe first prize is a patty pack. Moa I a Dimitrian 6126.
So,
Number 8. Second prize Kavalala Fantina voucher. Numela Fanga Frumalima, Waisina Moka,
this is something
Mele.
proper. In here.
La follow Nena Lucy or Lucy Green. First prize food hamper Fnatoki Numela Uf Mata, Cosini and Lowy. Second prize got mystery prize. Finatoki Petesa Lau Folly Koi Numela Food. La follow Hawalu Talani. First prize by food hamper, a large food hamper. Hawaii Imbo, Numela Valuano. Second prize is a food hamper, medium size. Hawaii Numela Ono Fumato, Miss Faith Salatiel. Third prize is a small food hamper. Numela Hilo Fumaka, Emolet 4700. Copy and reads raffle. First prize for Katokoi. Moa